G'day, I'm Mark from Self Sufficient Me with another how to basic fruit and veg growing tips in under 2 minutes. An avocado. When is it right to pick from the tree? Pick it too soon and it won't ripen properly, it'll go all rubbery. Pick it too late and it might rot on the tree. So when do we pick an avocado? Let's get into it. There really is only one true way to tell if your avocados are ready to be picked, and that is by picking one and seeing if it will actually ripen. However, there are certain signs that we can look for to ensure that we're making a pretty well educated guess if these avocados are ready to be picked, so we're not wasting them. First of all, the size. Most avocados are about the size of a large pear. You can get some that are larger and some that are smaller. Avocados will generally stop swelling and stop growing when they reach their harvest size and are then ready to be picked. Another one is the colour. Avocados are bright green, and when they ripen or get ready to be harvested, they get a duller and darker colour. So once we're pretty sure that these avocados are ready to be picked, what we do is we go ahead and we pick one. Pick it, take it inside, sit it on the kitchen bench, or if you want to try to ripen it faster, you can put it in a paper bag. And what this does is it creates an ethane gas that gets released, which in turn makes that avocado sometimes ripen a little faster. But you know what? I tend to just leave it on the kitchen bench. And then it's just a matter of time to wait until it ripens. You can tell if the avocado is ripe by just pressing lightly around the whole avocado, and if it's got a slight bit of give around that whole fruit, well then you know it's ripe and ready to be cut on and eaten. Now if the avocado is not ready or wasn't ready to be picked in the first place, it will shrivel and it will become rubbery and it won't be very pleasant to eat at all. So then you know that you need to give the other avocados on that tree a few weeks more before you test another one to see if they're ready to be harvested. If that avocado ripens fine and it's great to eat, well then you know that the rest of the avocados are ready to be harvested. And just one final tip, you don't have to harvest all your avocados at once. That's the beauty of backyard avocado growing. Harvest only as you need, let them ripen on the kitchen bench, and then you can have that extended harvest rather than a whole glut that you don't know what to do with. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.